Welcome to Prompt Equipments Private Limited. In this video, we will demonstrate the operation process of the iSmart milk analyzer, step by step. If your analyzer operates on AC power, connect the power cable to the AC supply, and switch on the AC power switch located at the back of the analyzer. If your analyzer operates on DC power, connect the cable to the DC battery, and switch on the DC power switch at the back of the analyzer. Once the analyzer is switched on, the screen will display iSmart Milk Analyzer. Next, the following parameters will appear on the screen: fat, SNF, and added water test. After this, the analyzer will display the following information: version number, file system, OK, machine ID, date and time. Finally, the warm-up message will appear on the screen. Once the warm-up is complete, the screen will display cleaning required. Perform cleaning using clean water, as per the cleaning procedure. After successful cleaning, the screen will show cleaning over. Milk analysis can be performed only after cleaning is completed. Before testing milk samples, perform water testing twice. Perform one buffer milk testing. This ensures the analyzer is functioning correctly. Before testing, filter the milk sample properly. Stir the milk for 10 seconds to ensure uniform mixing. Place the milk sample bottle below the analyzer's pipette. Press the OK button to start analysis. As milk enters through the pipette, the screen will display working. After approximately 40 seconds, the analyzer will display fat percentage, SNF percentage, added water percentage, milk density. Do not remove the sample bottle from under the pipette until all the milk has completely passed through the analyzer. Please note, once a milk sample has been analyzed, it must not be used again for reanalysis. This completes the operation process of the iSmart Milk Analyzer. Thank you for watching.